Hello, I'm Nelson Pereira from bnetTV. Welcome to the Mobile World Congress 2012 in Barcelona. With us is Assaf from Upstream. How are you doing, sir?
Doing great. Very excited to be here.
Can you talk to us about your company in reference to this amazing wireless ecosystem and what role that your company plays in it?
Sure. We are a marketing technology provider. We work with operators and brands across 40 countries in 23 languages, providing them with sophisticated technology that allows them to maximize purchase rates of any marketing activity they do across any channel. So what we do, we help them actually sell more across this fantastic medium that is growing: mobile devices, iPads, laptops, soon TVs, again in many languages, across any channel, across any medium.
It seems to be that the industry is changing so much. I mean, especially now here in Barcelona, we tend to hear so much stuff going on, especially in this wireless amazing industry. In reference to not just your regular mobile device, it actually everything has moved to the television, to the tablets. Everything has become one big push for information.
Correct. It's amazing to see how actually users start to not notice where do they consume media, whether it's a device, mobile device, iPad, potentially TV soon. There is a counter reaction to that, which is a proliferation of advertisement across all these devices. 170 billion ads a year 10 years ago are now 5 trillion ads a year, which is why it becomes very interesting to see how this impacts user behavior, acceptance of these digital ads. And this is where we play a role in reality, because response rates dropped dramatically the last few years from 7% to 0.1%, and brands and operators are trying to figure out how do I get that back to the right levels without annoying customers with ads and without tapping into their privacy.
I always remember myself when I'm watching television. It totally turns me off when I see too many commercials while I'm watching my movie. The whole concept of the entertainment goes away. There has to be a balance between a right advertisement and a right product.
Absolutely, and this is even more important when it's your mobile device or a small device where it's intimate. Your relationship with the device is personal in reality. I invade your personal space, not only your personal space, but using personal information, which is almost dangerous to do. So today brands and operators need to figure out a way to use technology and adjust to that environment that is very restrictive, prohibitive almost, and make sure that they talk to their customers, sell, but without deterring them from their own services. And this is where Upstream and other companies fit in the value chain of trying to use math, algorithms, big data, analytics to refine the way you deliver ads. Because what this medium allows you to do is actually get responses back. It's a direct response mechanism. This allows you to develop very, very interesting and sophisticated mechanism, again with mathematics behind and machine learning algorithms and all these interesting buzzwords to refine how you communicate with your customers.
And my understanding also is that companies such as Upstream are helping not only the current clients that you guys have right now, but exactly new potential clients that they should understand that you guys are meeting the right requirement at the right time and on the right market.
Correct. It's matching product and customer. It's matching the communication channel with the customer. It's in reality matching all this data with a preference of the user. In reality, users are more tuned to getting ads, for example, that cater to their interest than based on their location. I always say that as a joke. I may receive an offer for a haircut when I'm next to a hairdresser, but if I'm bald, it doesn't mean anything.
Correct.
Right? So this is the relationship between local is important, my personal interest and needs are even more important than that. And trying to find that from publicly available information, from interacting with the user and using sophisticated, again, mechanism to refine that is critical for success of marketing campaigns in this new digital age.
And Upstream being such a global company, pretty much understand the marketing that needs to be done, the correct marketing that needs to be done, not only every country or every city, because every city and every country is totally different, and each one requires a different approach.
Correct. The refinement of this approach is based on geography, on language, on habits, on behavior that are location sensitive, we'll call them. So yes, we operate in 40 countries. This allows us to have in our software as a service platform a lot of information we can crunch to give back to our customers in the form of success rates, purchase rates. In reality, knowing, and we've been processing over 24 billion transactions the last few years, now at a rate of over 1 billion a year. This allows us to actually know, or in real time know what works and what doesn't, and make it work for our customers.
And since your company is such a leader in this industry, what do you see the future of this new medium, especially both on the new concept and new buzzwords we hear in the wireless conference, which is M2M? Yes. Do you see a potential marketing strategic portion of this market?
For us, the big thing is the realization that on one hand there is a massive problem of, we'd call it digital ad bombardment. Right. How do I reach my customers without annoying them? And on the other hand, it's a fantastic medium for geeks, technology savvy people, and again mathematicians. I think the guy from Yuri Milner invested in Facebook, he said this is the age of mathematician. Facebook knows better than you who are your friends because they calculate it. Correct. In reality, the amount of information allows you to draw conclusions that are super sophisticated and allows campaign managers and marketeers to be better at what they do. And this is the future of marketing in our mind.
Well, Assaf, I do thank you so much for spending time. And as always, I think the great idea behind this new industry is to have companies such as yours understand that market and understand how to move within it.
Correct. And we're very happy to do it, very happy to talk about it, of course, and help our customers reach their marketing goals, which are more sales, more leads, more likes, more fans in any medium, on any device.
I'm always happy to see you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. It was a pleasure.
And this is Nelson Pereira from bnetTV from the Mobile World Congress 2012 in Barcelona.